Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I'm Next Weather meteorologist Lisette Gonzalez. We're tracking 3 fires: mile marker 44 fire, the Opelika junkyard fire, and the Boys Town fire down in southern Dade County, but focusing more in on the junkyard fire because there is a concern here for air quality. And although we did have some rain move through last night and overnight, still battling this fire, and we're noticing the direction of the smoke plume is going to be generally to the west northwest, and with the rain that actually pulls ash particles down to the ground, so there could be some oily residue on cars, roofs, patios, potentially contaminated puddles, runoff. So this is something to be mindful of, and if you have any respiratory conditions and you live, let's say, around Miami Lakes or just northwest of there, this is where you want to try to stay inside if possible because of some of the smoke that's still going to be around as we have those strong winds. Now we're looking for the rain. We desperately need it. And this morning we're seeing the showers are mainly here over in Broward and Deerfield Beach near Hillsborough Beach. And I'm tracking a little bit of rain rolling in across the Middle Keys around Long Key. Let's take a live view outside right now. And I want to show you what's happening here with these other fires that we are monitoring here across South Florida. The first of which is in western Broward County. This is almost contained, 95% contained. And the Boys Town fire down in southern Dade County, that is 80% contained. That is near the Miami Executive Airport. The wind's not helping though in the battle of these fires. 10-20 mile per hour sustained breeze out of the southeast, gusts already as high as 23 miles an hour. We're warm and muggy out there, 84 in Key West, the low 80s in Broward and Dade, and highs climb to the upper 80s. The rain chance is sitting at around 20%. Going to feel like the mid to upper 90s as we head into the afternoon. As we take a look here, the beach forecast, there is a high risk of rip currents. It's still not safe to go swimming in the ocean. We also have small craft advisories in effect here for my boaters over the Atlantic waters and the Keys. Now we are going to see a couple of showers here and there today, but the bulk of the activity is going to be pushing off to the west. Late tonight though, we could see a round of showers pushing through as we've seen the last few nights, but the moisture is going to be moving in along with an upper level low, and all the ingredients are coming together to produce a very juicy and unstable atmosphere. Already Thursday, looking at the potential for excessive heavy rain and flash flooding, and even into Friday and Saturday. Tracking the tropics, we are 6 days away from the start of the hurricane season. And as for now, tropical development is not expected. Of course, we'll keep you updated, but looking at this next weather 70 forecast, a heads up, we may need to issue a next weather alert heading into Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Just stay tuned. We, of course, will be monitoring the situation and our forecast models. But as for now, plan on having the rain gear handy. Today, spotty showers, still breezy tomorrow with some passing showers, but the highest rain chance, the worst weather likely Thursday into Friday. Still unsettled heading into your weekend as well, with scattered showers and storms with the potential for heavy downpours and localized flooding.